Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to calculate moving total by using dates between function. So already we have seen by using filter function, so please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding different technologies like SQL development, performance tuning and Power BI as well as SSIS. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design the report and all. So dim customer, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down. Now you can see that already I have enabled the relationship. For example, if I place the mouse over here, you can see that based on these two columns like date from order date, date from dim date, and order date came from internet sales, I have established the relationship between the dim date and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that so filter propagation flying from the dimension table to the fact table, like that I have enabled the relationship. So we'll try to talk on more on upcoming sessions about timing. We'll try to focus on today's report on it. Just click on report. Now I have created one more table, that is ranking table. Why I have created them? So in this page I have used this one as slicer. So for slicer purpose I have created another table. I'll try to show what kind of data it is. Go to the data, just click on here. So now we can see that so ranking value based on this selection we are calculating the running total. Okay, so go to here. So now we can see that this is the matrix visual. In this we have dates with respect to each day wise what is the sales amount. So dates are starting from the July month onwards. Okay, so because we have dates from the July month 1st 2001 onwards only, so that is the reason we have the sales. So each day wise we have sales. So here I'm just calculating the 7 days moving total. Okay, 7 days running total. So for that, so if we calculate 7 days back, we'll get this values and all. Even I have explained similar function, so 2 days back, try to watch it. But in this example I am using the dates between function. I will try to show that expression whatever it may. Yeah, go to the demo measures, click on running total. So let me try to zoom it. So now we can see that so I have declared one variable. So within the variable I have used this expression calculate sum x and the dates between function. In this I have used this date as a first argument, and the second argument in first date I am just taking 7 days back. Okay, and finally last argument I have taken the last date. So here, so understanding context, it's very important. With respect to this, what is the first date, last date? Okay, with respect to in this row, what is the first date and last date? Based on that we are trying to calculate the 7 days running total for each row wise. So for example here it goes to the 7 days back running total. Here so 7 days back, here 7 days, like that. So it will calculate the running total for this measure and also we have another. So this is the matrix, this is the chart, so easily we can understand here also how it's a trending going on, moving total for 7 days. So based on slicer we are getting, so dynamically it's getting fluctuating. Okay, even we can understand what kind of date range. So already I explained many times, so it's very familiar. So based on this selection, automatically dates getting adjusted. So based on the data also getting filtered. Okay, in the next page, but here in this measure, so I have mentioned it's a hard coded value, it's not dynamic. Maybe some customers they want to see the dynamically, they want to 5 days, 10 days or 15 days, 1 month, like that. But in this measure I have declared as a hard code value, so I don't want that. So for that reason I have created another page here. So I have, so what are the value coming from the ranking table I have taken as a slicer. Based on this selection, automatically we are getting the running total. For example, if I click on 7 means 7 days, 5 means 5 days, 15 means 15 days, 20 means 20 days, 30 means 30 days. Based on this range date range, so I just want to find the running total for 5 days or 7 days, 15 days. So everything based on the selection, everything is working in a dynamic nature. Even it will work as for this selection also. So I'll try to show this also. Go to the running total. So just, so here I have declared one variable. So within the variable I have used the selected value function. So basically what are the value you have selected, so it will capture that value and place into this variable. And also I declare another variable. Here I have used the calculate sum x function and also dates between. So here in the dates add function I have taken this variable instead of hard coding either 7, 10, 15. So what are the selection slicer value, I'm just keeping it here, so it works dynamically based on this selection. Okay, and finally I'm returning this expression under. So now if we do, if we were, if we move the slicing dicing, it will work. So based on this selection, see, graph is getting changed. So within this date range, whether you want to say 7 days or 5 days or 15 days, so like that we can so design the report. Okay, so I hope you like this report. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much, stay tuned for our videos. Thank you.